Hi, this is Rakshan watching Royal Technology. If you are facing any issue with your Windows 10 or 11 laptop and you want to reset the PC or you want to format your PC, so this video is for you. So in this video, we will show you how you can do it quickly. So open settings and search reset this PC, and over here if you see we have a option reset PC. Click on that. Here you will see two options: keep my files and remove everything. If you want to keep your file, you can select the first option, but this is not that secure and it may not fix your issue. So if you have any important file, you can take the backup and then select the second option. And once you click on next, here you will see two options. So best you use the local reinstall instead of the first option, cloud one. So if you click on that, you will see this option over here. You can simply click on next, or you can click on change settings, and here you will see two options: clean data and download. So first option if you select, so this is not that secure, and so better you click on next and start the process and then reset. So it will remove everything from your machine. So if you have any important data, make sure you take the backup on a pen drive or external hard disk or somewhere, so that you will get the data, or you can copy the data after the reset. So this will take some time. If you are facing any issue over here, you can comment below. We will reply to all the comments, and this may take time. It will restart 2 3 times your PC, and we'll see this kind of progress. So make sure do comment if you are facing any issue, and this is the best way to reset the PC. There is one more way, and that is advanced, so that we will cover in our next video, or maybe our upcoming video. If you have any doubt, comment. So now this is almost done. It will complete in few seconds. So I have forwarded the video because it was taking around 10 to 15 minutes for me. So maybe in your case it is totally different. Over here now you have to just select the region, language, and few basic options, and then your installation will complete, and it will take you to the desktop. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.